What's up guys, Rick with RallySportDirect here. They say it's the most wonderful time of the year. I say it's the most wonderful time of the month because I've got some new products to show off. This is New Products December. Let's go. Man, I hope you guys had a freaking awesome Thanksgiving because I know I did. It was truly amazing. But let's just get started on this. So, brand new to us, straight out of the box, we've got these K-Sport Control Pro coilovers. Now, starting off, you notice the stunning orange and black color combo, which is made up of billet aluminum and fully adjustable pillow ball upper mounts up front with a solid one in the back. Now, we've got this springy part here in the center, which winds its way down over the inverted monotube damper. And then, of course, it's held in place with an aluminum locking collar in that same anodized orange. And a bit further down, we've got the lower mount, which adjusts independently of the body for full ride height adjustment without sacrificing travel and suspension performance. And speaking of performance, these bad boys give you a full 32-way damping adjustment, so you can dial in exactly how soft or hard you want these to ride. And these are a full feature coilover that's ready to bolt on right out of the box. The only thing that's left is for you to decide basically how low and stiff you want to go. These are perfect for aggressive street use and taking your car to the next level. Currently available for the 02 through basically 2020 WRX and STI, along with the BRZ and GT86 platform. Oh, and they're about $850 shipped to your door. So what is this then? It's long and girthy and heavy, really heavy. Is K-Sport making a coilover to dump a Tacoma? Now, these are the K-Sport Rally Spec coilovers. Now, let's start at the top. So gone are the camber adjustable top hats. Instead, we just get this solid, beefy aluminum top hat, just with a rubber isolator and a bearing in there, holding it all to the coilover. So under it, we've got that same overbuilt aluminum collar, and then just underneath that, the extra long spring that's wound down around a huge 55mm body. Now we still get the full 32-way damping adjustment as well as independent ride height adjustment, but don't think that you're gonna be going low on these. These are designed to allow full suspension travel by using a soft and long spring, along with like that ultra long body. These can soak up hard hits and then allow the tire further downward movement so it can reach down and keep in contact with any surface. So whether you're racing in a rally or you just want to rally the streets, these are exactly what you need. Now currently we've got these available for the 02 Plus WRX and STI, but we've got these things in stock. So if you need a gravel coilover, dude, these things are freaking awesome. And next up, we have the new Nextbase 422 GW dashcam, a truly feature-rich, high-end, ultra-compact dashcam, only to be somewhat thrown off by this kind of odd-looking long snout. But in there is where the magic happens and what makes this little camera shine. It packs a big old freaking sensor in there that's great for low light performance and also some high quality glass for an ultra sharp 1440p video that records at 30 frames a second. Not too bad. And with a 140-degree viewing angle, it'll capture everything in front of you with amazing clarity. So how does it look and sound? Well, looks and sounds about like this. Not too bad, a little echoey, but we're not gonna be making any feature films on this anytime soon. But for essentially what can be labeled a security camera, it's impressive. And that's the thing, these can record 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and not miss a beat. And that's the most important thing right there. But what about all those features I mentioned earlier, well, alluded to earlier? Well, on the back you get a ultra large touch screen that is very responsive and easy to read. It has an always on ability, so when you park, it will use motion sensors along with a built-in accelerometer to record anything that might happen when you're away. It also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can easily transfer the footage from the camera to your phone, and you can even have it do it automatically. Pretty cool. It does have built-in GPS and also has Alexa. This is kind of interesting. They say you can set this up to automatically send your location and video and your insurance information off to the police in the event of an accident. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna we're not gonna do that feature. Anyway, we also have a rear view plug-in module that you can hook up and see the world behind you. So to wrap it up, this is genuinely a fantastic dash cam for the money. And if you don't have a dash cam yet, just go buy one. I recommend this one, but just go buy anything. Seriously, everybody should have them. And here we have the Move Over Racing Bumper Quick Release Kit. These release buttons are 100% CNC'd aluminum and anodized in this beautiful black color. Now this one's gonna be specific for the BRZ GT86 platform, but that means the install is just gonna be much quicker and cleaner than the other universal kits out there. So this particular kit comes with 4 very low profile buttons here and everything you're going to need to install it. Now, regardless of what you think about quick releases, removing your bumper sucks. And depending on what you do with your car, there might be times you need to remove it quickly and easily. And these quick releases make that process so much nicer. As a bonus, if you're still wanting to keep a clean look on your car, these are super low profile, so they can easily blend in, or you can get creative with colors and really make them pop. Either way, if you're sick of dealing with removing the bumper and you want the look of a high-end release, these things are perfect. Check them out. It's so satisfying. These are the latest and greatest fog lights from Diode Dynamics. Oh. These are their new SS3 fog lights that I'm sure you've seen me gushing over recently. They're available in this white lens or the amber, which we've already installed on our Crosstrek, and man, are these things bright. Not only that, but the way they spread the light over the road is just pure perfection. You can see literally the beam right here. With their unique lens design and ultra fancy LEDs inside, they're able to get unreal output and still be SAE legal. In fact, these ones in particular are designed to be a factory replacement for the fog lights on the 15 Plus WRX and STI, as well as the newest Crosstreks. Now, they do come in either a Sport or a Pro version, with the Pro version getting more light output, obviously, but I've tested both, and even the Sport blows everything else out of the water. And at 160 bucks, it's a must-have. Next, we have your favorite cam manufacturer's favorite cam manufacturer, and that's Kelford Cams. We carry a massive lineup of their cam and valve train components, with everything from, just a mild bump over stock, or cams designed for high torque, or even like this bad boy right here. This is their drag cam set for a Subaru. This thing has over 11 millimeters of lift on the intake and the exhaust, and over 290 degrees of duration on the intake and exhaust. This thing is no joke. Like, seriously, these things are so wild, you can't even run AVCS. You have to run static timing. Yeah, these things are beasts. But if you're wanting more power, you want a set of cams. Regardless if you're running like a mild setup or you're trying to break world records, Kelford has you covered. And moving on, we have some new sexiness from Voodoo 13. First from them is their rear lateral links for the GD-STI. These are made from 6061 aluminum and CNC'd to absolute perfection. These utilize a fully threaded body and QA1 Heim joints and spherical rod ends. Basically, they're super nice. Oh yeah. So these replace your factory rear lateral links, and we do also have the front side of the rear set, which would give you full camber and toe adjustability. So whether you're running just a unique setup that you need the camber for, or you're needing precision adjustments for a race setup, these will be perfect. Nice enough for show, but all of the good parts for the go. Kind of best of both worlds. Check them out. And next from Voodoo 13, we have their solid rear subframe bushings. These are going to be specific for the BRZ and GT86 platform. Now these are anodized in the same gunmetal color as the lateral links and CNC'd from some serious aluminum. These things mean business, and they are absolutely no joke. These will replace your factory ultra soft hemorrhoid approved bushings with a raw, solid aluminum bushing. In fact, I don't think they should even be able to call these things bushings. But either way, these will lock in the rear subframe to the chassis of the car, giving you and every part of your body precise feedback about everything that's going on in the rear end, whether for good or for bad. But they also allow you to dial in some anti-squat and roll center into your rear suspension for when you're really trying to get the most out of your car. Now, these are not for the faint of heart, but if you're building a track car or a drift car, these will be a must-have. And last is something that almost didn't make the cut because it showed up as I was editing this video, and this is the brand new Grimspeed Billet pitch stop mount. Now, this is going to fit basically any Subaru. Yeah, basically any Subaru, as long as you don't have a CVT, so they say. I think I'm gonna find out. Anyway, this utilizes a beautiful black anodized billet aluminum construction throughout, and I absolutely love the attention to detail with just the machine work here. You've got the long Grimspeed logo, and then on the flip side, you've got the kind of shortened Grimspeed logo, and you can install this either way, whatever your preference is. Features 80 durometer bushings, which is going to really help firm everything up, which is what you want out of a pitch stop. So it's going to help prevent the motor from pitching back and forth during acceleration and braking, but it's not so stiff that it's going to increase noise, harshness, and vibration. Just an absolutely beautiful piece all around. Seriously, Grimspeed, good job. This thing is stunning. Check it out. And that's it, guys. That's all the time we've got for you. Make sure to check out the new products page because I'll have all of these and many more, because of course I don't have time to go over all of the new products we got in. Now, last month I asked what product you guys wanted me to dive into. I think collectively you guys agreed upon the compressive tuning fender shrouds. So we'll be doing more on that in the future. And same with this one. If there's something you really want me to dive into, let me know. I'm really happy to do it. I hope you guys have a safe and happy holiday. You guys have a wonderful month. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, comment down below, check us out on our other social platforms. Thank you guys. You guys are freaking awesome. See you on the next one. It's incredible. Why do I keep on looking at it? Seriously, I'm an idiot. When I was all done, I forgot to turn it off.
Yeah.
And it just overrode it.
Oh my God.
So there's literally I'm going through, I'm like, why are there so many? I'm like, oh God.
I'm an idiot.
Yeah, and it's literally I could just hear myself talking about
everything else.
The new products, yeah, and I'm like, cool. And it's literally it's a picture